Right, hello, Greg the World here, be back once again for build update number 5 on this SA22 Greyhound from Zvezda. Yeah, I've got quite a bit done now. I got the legs on the main part of the body last night, which I painted silver. I've got to paint the feet white yet, but that's pretty cool and out of the way. Coming over to the bench, whoops, trash the place. Yeah, I've got the cab all masked up fully now. I've sorted out the underside and pre-painted bits that I missed. What else have I done? Where have I put that? There it is. The biggest part, and I couldn't find it. Yeah, so it's the subframe chassis. Yeah, it's all touched up and good to go. Yeah, I forgot to add that bit of the drive shaft yesterday when I did the video, so that's in there now. So we're just about ready to crack on with the next page. So where we're building the radiator with the cooling fans, one of the fuel tanks that goes on the side. I presume they're fuel tanks. Inserting the engine and a few other little sub assemblies before sorting out the underside of the subframe. So yeah, let's go on with it. It'll be fun dealing with the seam lines on this. All the well, not so bad there, but around the front with all them all that detail. Never mind, we'll manage. Well, that's interesting. That doesn't have the little locating pins on it, so I wonder. Yeah, well, it's showing exactly the same, except for that C28 again. So I'm wondering, am I making a cock up somewhere? Yeah. Yeah, because that's that there. So that's going on that bit. K55. So C28 still missing in action. Right, I'm going to have to turn off and have a thorough look. Typical. I pick it back up and I spot it straight away. It's in the opposite corner. That's probably where I was holding the flipping thing. What a twat. Oh well. Never mind. Let's get some more of this tape soon. The amount that I'm using it is good stuff. Hopefully that will hold it in place as it sits. Alright, I'm just going to pull up what my phone wanted. Back in a moment. as always, nothing important. Right, let's get back onto the right page, shall we? That would help. Now looking at it going, I wasn't there. Right, so that's done. Now we'll do these. And well, they're not giving any colour call out. I presume it's just going to be white. So yeah, we'll just go with that. Like I say about presumption and cock-ups. Right, let's find the appropriate sprue now. There we go, right. Oh, 48. 48 and 47, there we go. Right, that's the sub-assemblies done. Right, there we go, this is an interesting bit. Just cleaning up part K34, and I can't see clearly, is that a bit of detail, or is that a sort of a bit of sprue? I think it's detail. So for now I'm going to leave it in and hope that if it's not, then I can actually work it out later on. But yeah, that's just about cleaned up and ready to go. Yeah, looking good almost. Yeah. Now I'm popular on Facebook today, it keeps going ping, ping, ping. Right, time to drop the engine in. Ah, seems to be going alright. As soon as I said it, the whole thing blimmin' falls apart, doesn't it? Haha. Fun and games. Right, that's that. Yeah, let's hold that a minute to let it set. And my music stopped. Thank you, YouTube. You keep doing that. Well, you know, every half an hour or so. Are you still there? Why doesn't it ask, are you okay? Do you need some snacks? That would be good, wouldn't it? I know I technically really, really shouldn't have music going, but you know, as you can tell by my number of subscribers and the amount of watches these videos actually get, I'm not monetized anyway. So you know, if that miracle ever happens and I'm like get popular enough to start getting monetized, then I'll consider, you know, being a bit more careful with musics and stuff. But at the moment I don't really give a damn, frankly, my dear. Right, we're back in one. Let's sort out the music. I think the battery might be dying again, so it just switched itself off, but we'll have a go. Yeah, so the engine's in. Yeah, pretty cool. So I've got the tape around there holding that bit in place to stop it lifting up. So I'll leave that there for a little while longer. Right, I've got to get this bugger in now. Really that easy? Oh, that fits beautifully. Yeah, cool. That was easy. Get some glue is done there. Right, okay, so that's stage 25 done. Happy days. Okay, so we'll do that bit last. So, might as well show you. Yeah, so we're on this one now. So saying we'll do that bit last because we've got tape there holding the engine in place. So yeah, and I'm going to leave that off for now because I need to clean up seam lines and repaint. So, so we'll get that monstrosity on there, which I accidentally cut a part off of. Yeah, so it's up that way. That goes like that. Yay! Right, okay, so that little bit there is sprue. Let's try that again, shall we? Right, okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this cleaned up and repainted, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so this has had a little while to set up, so we're going to do the next bit. We'll do 28. Yeah, I've been having fun trying to hide the seams on this. Yeah, I've tried, well, Nigel's modelling bench has been going on and on about this stuff. Mr. Surfacer, thought I'd give it a go. It doesn't really hide seam lines very well, as I have filed them and all the rest of it. So I've gone with my normal filler. I'm just waiting for that to harden off, and then we can build that. I built the other one as well, but I'm just going to leave them for now because they can go on at almost any time. So we'll start. Yeah, we'll get number 28 done, and then we'll have another look at these and see whether or not we can get them done. If not, they can go on another episode. So, okay, so that's up that way. Right, that's it. Stage 28 done. Yeah. Aye. That's good. I presume that's going to be like the exhaust system, or the end of the exhaust system, even though that looks like an exhaust there. I don't know. We'll soon start taking even more shape. But yeah, that was good. So yeah, I think I'm really going to need to clear up my workbench because yeah, I'm running out of space here. But anyway, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one later on.